Welcome to this Nadex Binary Options Master Series Price at Expiration. During this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at the volatility that can be seen when the underlying market is trading at or very near the strike price of a binary option as it approaches expiration. So when the underlying market, whether it be an equity index, a commodity, or a currency, when the underlying market is around or very near or even at the option strike price as it approaches expiration, extreme price swings can take place. The reason being, if we think about it, is the difference between settlement of 0 or 100 can be as little as 0.1 tick. And so as we're approaching expiration, we can see some very dramatic price swings. A small change in the value of the underlying can cause exponential movement in the price of a binary option. So let's take a look at an example here. And here I have a tick chart. So this chart only represents about 15 minutes in time, so a very short time frame and very little movement. The total up and down is just about 20 pips in the pound dollar. So not a great deal of movement in the underlying market. However, let's take a look as we walk through this on what can happen to the price of a binary option. And so we see a bid offer of 32.36, about 15 minutes to go till expiration. Price moves up, in this case only about 6 pips, 6 to 7 pips. Not a big movement in about a minute and a half. However, the price of the binary option went from 32.36 bid offer to 68.72. As it moves back down below the line, it went from 68.72 to 20.24. Moves back up to the strike, and it's now priced at 48.52. So we're already seeing some very dramatic movements in the swings in the price of the binary option, with very little movement in the underlying market. It moves back down to 19.23. All of a sudden, price shoots up, and I say shoots up, but really it's only about 14 pips. Not a big movement in the underlying, and that took place in about 2.5 minutes. However, while it was only about 14 pips in the underlying market, the price of the binary went from 19.23 to 94.99. Now this both creates opportunity as well as risk. And we've talked previously about the probability of a binary. Now here again, it's still based on probability. However, because it's such a short, compact time frame, the probability is shifting dramatically with each tick. So we move from 94.99 to 84.88 in another minute. And just about a minute to 2 minutes later, the binary moves from 84.88 to where it settles at 0. So we can see that there's opportunity here, but we also want to be aware of the risks involved. And this was just a brief example of how the price swings towards expiration of a binary option can be quite dramatic. If you have any questions or would like additional information, you can find more at www.nadex.com or give us a call at 877-77-NADEX or send us an email, customerservice@nadex.com.